My name is Urmila Nivangune and today's topic is methods. First of all, we will see what is methods. Methods are nothing but block of code, or we can say that set of instruction which are grouped together to form or to perform some specific task. There are two types of method in Java language. First of all, first is user defined and second one is predefined. User defined methods are defined by the users or the developers in our program, and second one is predefined. Predefined methods are defined already in Java documentation or Java libraries. In order to use that method, we just have to call them. That methods are present in some packages or and that in classes, and that classes are present in some packages. In order to use that methods, we just need to import classes or that appropriate packages. Then we can use that method by just calling them. There are various methods which are predefined in Java language, such as power, math, etc. Then methods get executed when we call it or when we execute it. Why methods are used? Suppose we need to perform a same task in a program many times, then we don't need to write the code for same many times. Instead of, we can write the code in a method and we can call that method many times as per our requirement. By using method, we can achieve reusability. For example, if we write method for addition, then we can add two numbers by using that method. And if we want to perform that task many times in our program, then we don't need to write that addition method many times. Instead of writing code for same, we can use it by just calling it. Second one is reduction of code, reduction of line of code. By using methods, we can reduce code complexity. There are many types of methods, such as methods with no return type, no arguments. Second one is method with return type, no arguments. Third one is methods with return type and with arguments, and last one is methods with no return type with argument, etc. So the format of declaring method is: first one is access specifier, then return type, then name of method, and the parameter list, and last but not least is statements, or we can say body of that method. So we will see one by one. First of all, we will see access specifier. There are total four access specifiers. First one is public, second one is private, third one is protected, and fourth one is default. When we don't write any specifier, any access specifier, then by default it takes default specifier, and that default specifier uh, and that methods by default specifier uses used in the same package, or and then public. When we write method as a public, then that method is accessed in the class, outside the class, and also outside the package. When we write method as a private, then we can access that method only in the class in which that method is defined. Then protected is same as default. That means we can access the methods in same packages. Then return type is a return type is a data type, and it shows that method returns what kind of data. Return types includes integer, character, float, etc. And also it can be object or collection. Then when we don't specify any return type, then by default void return type it get used. Then third one is method name. While declaring method name, there are some rules or conditions. uh, if you want to declare one method, then that method name should be state the behavior or the functionality of its of that method. Suppose we have to add two numbers and for that we have to create one method, then we can declare method name as addition two numbers, add two numbers, etc. Again, second rule is method names first letter should be in capital in case of single word. If the method name is a combination or concatenation of two or three numbers, then the every word first letter should be in uppercase excluding first word. It is known as Hungarian notation. Like the class, it this notation is known as Hungarian notation. Then next one is parameter list. Parameters are written in pair of parentheses and separated by comma. It contains data type and variable. uh, if we don't write any parameter, then it is called as uh, default parameter or no parameters, and it is written in blank parenthesis. The last one is method body. It is very important part of method. In method body there are number of statements which states the behavior of method.